Class 9 Science, Chapter 4, Structure of the Atom, and in this video I will explain the answers of Intext questions of NCERT book. First come to questions given on page number 47. What are canal rays? Canal rays are positively charged radiation. These rays consist of positively charged particles known as protons, and they were discovered by Goldstein in 1886. Second question. If an atom contains one electron and one proton, will it carry any charge or not? As we know, electron is negatively charged, proton is positively charged, and there is one electron, one proton. That's why no charge is there, and this will be neutral. Then we can write the answer. An atom containing one electron and one proton will not carry any charge. It will be a neutral atom. Then page number 49, question number 1. On the basis of Thomson's model of an atom, explain how the atom is neutral as a whole. According to Thomson, an atom consists of a positively charged sphere and the electrons are embedded, that is fixed firmly and deeply in it. And the negative and positive charges are equal in magnitude. So the atom as a whole is electrically neutral. On the basis of Rutherford's model of an atom, which subatomic particle is present in the nucleus of an atom? Our answer is proton. Question number 3. Draw a sketch of Bohr's model of an atom with 3 shells. Okay, now in Bohr's model, this is the nucleus and these concentric circles represent the shells. This innermost is K shell, this middle is L shell, and outermost is M shell. We have to draw only the 3 shells. Okay, K, L, M. What do you think would be the observation if the alpha particle scattering experiment is carried out using a foil of a metal other than gold? Actually, Rutherford used gold foil. If we use the foil of any other metal, what would happen? On using any metal foil, the observations of the alpha particle scattering experiment would remain the same. Why? As all atoms would have same structure. It means that is in every atom there is a nucleus and electrons revolve around the nucleus. Now name the 3 subatomic particles of an atom. Very easy question. Answer is electrons, protons and neutrons. Helium atom has an atomic mass of 4U and 2 protons in its nucleus. How many neutrons does it have? Atomic mass of helium is given 4U, and as we know, atomic mass is due to protons and neutrons. That's why atomic mass is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. And number of protons is given, that is 2. And atomic mass is given 4. We can find out the number of neutrons, that is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Helium atom has 2 neutrons. Now page number 50, question number 1. Write the distribution of electrons in carbon and sodium atom. To write the distribution of electron, we must know the atomic number of carbon and sodium. If we know the atomic number, we can find out the number of electrons. That's why for carbon, atomic number is 6. And atomic number is equal to number of protons, and atom is a neutral. That's why number of protons equal to number of electrons. That's why we can say there are 6 electrons, and these 6 electrons are distributed like this. In the K shell 2 electrons are there, and in the L shell there are 4 electrons are there. Now in case of sodium, atomic number is 11 and atomic number is equal to number of protons. That's why number of proton are 11, and this is a neutral again. That's why number of electrons are also 11. Now we have to distribute these electrons in the different shells. In the K shell 2 electrons are there. In the L shell 8 electrons are there. In the M shell 1 electron is there. And we use this formula 2n square. Okay. If K and L shells of an atom are full, then what would be the total number of electrons in an atom? Okay, K shell can hold 2 electrons. Why? Because for K, N is equal to 1. And use this formula 2n square. We will get 2 electrons. And for L, N is equal to 2. If we find out the number of electrons by using this 2n square, we will get the 8. That's why L shell can hold 8 electrons. That's why when both are full, there will be 8 plus 2, that is 10 electrons in the atom. Now page number 52. How will you find the valency of chlorine, sulfur and magnesium? To find out the valency, first of all write the electronic configuration. And to write the electronic configuration, we must know the atomic number. Chlorine atomic number is 17. Electronic configuration is 287. Sulfur atomic number is 16. Okay, and electronic configuration is 286. Magnesium atomic number is 12. This is 282. These are the electronic configuration. Now, with the help of this electronic configuration, we can find out the valence electrons. Okay, and if we know the valence electron, we can find out the valency. Valence is equal to number of valence electron or 8 minus number of valence electron. If there are electrons 4 or less, then valency will be equal to number of valence electron. If electrons are more than 4 in valency cell, then we use this formula 8 minus number of valence electrons. Hence, in case of chlorine, valency is 8 minus 7, that is 1. In case of sulfur, valency is 8 minus 6, that is 2. And in case of magnesium, valency is 2. Okay. If number of electrons in an atom is 8 and number of protons is also 8, then what is the atomic number of the atom? As we know, atomic number is equal to number of protons, and there are 8 protons. Therefore, atomic number of the atom is 8. And second one is, what is the charge on the atom? 8 protons and electrons are also 8. That's why number of both electrons and protons is equal. Therefore, charge on the atom is 0. With the help of table 4.1, find out the mass number of oxygen and sulfur atom. Now, this is the part of the table 4.1 which is given in your textbook. Okay, and we have to find out the mass number. And as we know, mass number is the number of protons plus number of neutrons. And with the help of this table, we can find out for oxygen, number of protons are 8 and number of neutrons are also 8. That's why 8 plus 8 is 16 is the mass number of oxygen. The same for sulfur, protons are 16, neutrons are 16. That's why mass number of sulfur, number of protons plus number of neutrons, that is equal to 16 plus 16, 32. Then page number 53. For the symbol H, D and T, tabulate 3 subatomic particles found in each of them. I think you are familiar with this H, D and T. Actually, these are the isotopes of hydrogen. Okay, and as we know, isotopes have the same atomic number, and atomic number is equal to number of proton. That's why all these 3 have the same proton, same number of proton. H is 1, D is 1, T is also 1. And all these are neutral. That's why electrons are also the same as the number of proton. That's why electron is also 1, 1, 1. But neutron, in hydrogen, no neutron is there, 0. In deuterium, 1 neutron is there. In tritium, 2 neutrons are there. Write the electronic configuration of any one pair of isotopes and isobars. First of all, what are isotopes? Atoms of the same element having same atomic number but different mass number. Okay, and what are isobars? Atoms of the different element having different atomic number but same mass number. This is the one pair of isotope. Carbon 12 and carbon 14, and both have same atomic number 6. When atomic number is same, electronic configuration is also same. That's why when atomic number is same, number of atomic number is 6, number of protons are 6 and number of electrons are also 6. That's why electronic configuration of carbon 12 is 2,4 and carbon 14 is also 2,4. Now, these are the pair of isobars having the different atomic number but same mass number. Atomic number is 20 for calcium. When atomic number is 20, number of protons are also 20, number of electrons are also 20. When 20 electrons are there, we can write the electronic configuration 2882. Okay. In case of argon, this is 288. Okay. Thank you. Subscribe my channel to get the next video from this chapter. And in the next video, I will explain the answers of exercise questions of NCERT textbook.